Well, SignCraft is really a full-service sign company. We're a manufacturing sign company. We consider ourselves that. We manufacture, install, do everything with all types of signs. So whether it's vinyl work, room signs, ADA signs, dimensional signs, electrical signs. So anything a customer needs, we'll do it. I'm Bob McEwen. I'm with SignCraft Solutions. I'm the owner, and we are located in Wake Forest, North Carolina, just north of Raleigh. SignCraft has been here in business for about 10 years now. We started in August of 2009 during the Depression. After being laid off during that time frame, with the economy being down, was looking for something to do. Thought I'd get back in the corporate world. Kind of bumped into the sign business and decided to get into it. I felt like this was what I wanted to do. Started off with just myself and Matt, who's now our production manager. We now have a little over 6,700 square feet, and there's 11 employees. So we've grown quite a bit. We've grown, we've changed, we've added equipment.
Prior to CNC, we cut everything here by hand with an X-Acto or something similar. Table saw, mostly straight lines. Curved lines were definitely a more difficult cut for us, slow, and we've finally progressed to machinery that can help us do that much easier. We selected the SmartShop MT because of its versatility. It's budget friendly. We're able to utilize all the different knife configurations, OptiScout, drag knife, the spindle itself. We have a mister, and all that comes into a nice package with the SmartShop MT.
You know, we do have a good team. We really appreciate our team. They're a good team. We value them a lot. But we've also found that as we have good equipment, it's like having another good employee. We can increase our speed of what we're doing, our efficiency, and the equipment holds up well and continues to work well.
The setup of the machine was pretty smooth. It came right to us on a flatbed truck. As soon as we pulled it off and opened it up, moved it into our spot, it was pretty much ready to roll. We had a training technician come from Laguna, and he was able to help us kind of get the ball rolling, and within a couple of days we were well on our way to cut anything we needed to.
This sign was done for one of our customers. This was actually, looks like it's sandblasted sign, but it was actually done with the CNC. It was routed, the texture and everything. The dimensional letters were cut separately and then added along with the border.
We fully utilized the SmartShop MT with all its capabilities. We can cut anything from aluminum to acrylic to plastic. The drag knife, we were able to cut foam cores, Coroplast, a variety of materials. With the aluminum, we added the mister on the machine, which allowed us to add that little bit of lubricant to easily cut ferrous metals. It's pretty much endless as to what we can imagine we can make. We work with a number of companies that do demand high-end signage, crisp, clean look, and with the CNC machine, we are more than able to produce high-end signage in a timely manner.
I think what sets us apart is our focus on quality and really taking care of the customer, making sure that we're meeting their needs, their schedule, and making sure that they are taken care of.